Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
Best remote control SONY Bravia LCD TV reviews. BRM-FTX500P replacement voice remote is fully compatible with SONY Bravia LCD TVs, including models RMFXBR65A8H, XBR65A9G, XBR65A9G, and XBR65X80H. It features built-in voice control for easy navigation, ergonomic buttons, and plug-and-play setup. Ideal for replacing lost or damaged original remotes.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.